Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete offline videos on Terabox. Terabox is a cloud storage app where you can store files only allows you to download video for offline use, so you can watch them without internet. Sometimes offline video take up space on your phone, so you may need to delete them. First, unlock your phone and open the Terabox app. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, look for the offline download or my download. Find the video you no longer press and hold the video or tap on the three dot menu next to it. Now tap delete, remove or remove from offline. A confirmation message will appear. Tap yes or confirm to delete the offline video. The video will not be removed from your phone offline storage. Remember, this video does not delete the video from your cloud account, only from offline storage. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.